Are we on? Okay. Hello and welcome to Lucky Sweetheart Vintage, the place where kitsch comes to play and fabulous finds are around every corner. So today I'm going to teach you what you need to do to take care of your Pyrex goodies. Your Pyrex dishes, Pyrex casseroles. I got some Pyrex back there. So the first thing that you need to know is don't put any of it in the dishwasher. When you see stuff that looks like this, it's because they put it in the dishwasher and it just messes it up all sorts. In fact, don't put any of your milk glass in the dishwasher. Next up, never use this side of the sponge on your Pyrex. I don't use it on the outside or the inside of my Pyrex. So never use this side of the sponge, always use this side of the sponge. And what I do to really get things clean is I use a bunch of dish soap. I use actually the Miss Meyer's lemon dish soap. I order it from Grove. It comes to my house once every 2 months. And I just put a bunch on this end of the sponge and get it nice and oily. And that's how I keep my Pyrex clean. Next up, don't ever put your Pyrex in the broiler. Obviously, it is oven safe. It says it right on there, but don't use the broiler. Don't put direct flame onto your Pyrex. And while you're at it, don't make any sudden temperature changes. Like if your Pyrex was just in the oven, don't start cleaning it with cold water because that kind of is very bad for your Pyrex as well. Any sudden temperature changes. The next tip that I would give you for your Pyrex is to buy your Pyrex in good condition. The things that you're always going to look for are that there are no chipping along the sides, that the Pyrex pattern is still vibrant and clear, and that there's no little scratch marks in the inside of your Pyrex. Also, there should be nothing that's burnt onto it. If you're buying it from a thrift shop and it's just really, really messy and you take the time to clean it the way that I've just described, then everything should work out well and you should have a nice piece of Pyrex to add to your collection. So that's everything that I have for you today. If you have any other secrets for keeping your Pyrex clean and in tip-top shape, please let me know. Put them in the comments so that other people can know. So thank you so much and we'll see you next time.